Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. This is the 10th video, which simply means I'm doing question number 10 from the May-June 2024 Mathematics Paper 1 exam. Please note that, guys, the other questions will be uploaded as well, and each and every question will have their own video. And please do share the video, guys, to your peers, because I believe that if you guys answer exam questions, that might give you an edge whenever you write your exam. Yeah? Okay, so please do share the video and please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, EHGF is a rectangle, and then we are told that HE is produced, and then x squared meters to n. Okay, HE is produced x squared meters to n, and EH is produced x squared meters to p. Okay, and then we are told that NF is produced NF produced intersects PG produced at M to form an isosceles triangle MNP. So this triangle is isosceles, né? So if that angle over there is theta, that means the same angle over there will be theta. Okay, let's continue. And then we are told that NM is equal to MP. Okay, for the fact that they've told us that it's an isosceles triangle, we already know that fact over there, né? And then D lies on NP, where MD is perpendicular to NP. Okay, and then NP is 4 centimeters, MD is 3 centimeters. Okay. Firstly, they want us to show that the area of the rectangle is given by that, né? Okay, so how can you find the area of the rectangle? We must know the length of B as well as the length of EH. All right, together. We can find the length of EH. That's quite easy. Why? Because I know that NE, the length of NE plus the length of EH plus the length of HP will be just equal to 4. But NE is x squared. We do not know the length of EH, but and HP is given to us as x squared as well. So that means EH is equal to 4 minus 2 x squared. Please keep this in mind. Okay, since, guys, we are told that we have an isosceles triangle, né? It simply means that these two triangles, let me highlight them, this triangle and this one, let me do different colors. The two triangles are just as isosceles not isosceles rather, but they are congruent triangles. Are you together? Because I have three things which are common. And firstly, this side is equal to this one. That's the first thing which is equal. Secondly, the two angles are equal. Thirdly, MD is a common side. So the two triangles are congruent. If triangles, guys, are congruent, it simply means that those two triangles are exactly the same. Are you together? So if the two triangles are exactly the same and the actual distance over here is 4, this simply means that that's 2 units, and then that's 2 units as well, because the two triangles are congruent, right? Okay, what do we know? I know that remember that, guys, I want to find the value of B, right? I know that, okay, tan theta is equal to opposite B over x squared, né? When I'm looking at that small triangle over there, né? Tan theta is equal to B over x squared. But also, tan theta is also equal to MD over ND. Whenever I'm focusing on that larger triangle, that one. All right, together. Tan theta is opposite, which is MD, all over adjacent, which is ND, right? So this simply means that tan theta can also be equal to, since I know the length of MD is basically 3 centimeters. Excuse me. MD is 3 centimeters, and then ND is equal to 2 centimeters. Are you together? So therefore, tan theta is equal to 3 over 2. Are you together? But remember that I found tan theta to be equal to something else, which simply means that b over x squared is equal to 3 over 2. Remember, I'm looking for b, ne? That simply means b is equal to 3 over 2 x squared. Are you together? I now know the value of b, and I know the size of EH as well. I can simply calculate the area of my rectangle. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is basically base multiplied by height. Our base, that's 4 minus 2 x squared. Our perpendicular height, that's 3 over 2 x squared. Whenever I multiply 4 by 3 over 2 x squared, I'll be left with 6 x squared, and then over there I'll be left with negative 3x to the power 4. So now I've proven that the area is equal to that. Né? Okay, now I'm supposed to calculate the maximum area of the rectangle. Maximum area is basically a of x is equal to 6x squared minus 3x to the power 4. So a prime of x is equal to 12x minus 3 times 4 is 12x to the power 3, right? All I have to do is to make the derivative to be equal to 0. Once I come across the term maximum or minimum in mathematics, I need to find the derivative and make the derivative to be equal to 0. So this simply means I have 12x minus 12x cubed is equal to 0. Yes, you can divide everything by a negative 12. Whenever you do that, we'll have positive x cubed minus x. Whenever you divide everything by negative 12, right? Okay, and then there's x over there. You can take out a common factor to factorize, né? X will be left with x squared minus 1. Then we have x is equal to 0, or x squared is equal to 1. Then x is just plus or minus 1. Né? Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 1. Why is x equal to 1? Because we are talking about the length over here. Né? We cannot have a negative length. Are you together? So, for me to find my maximum area, I just need to say a of 1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 minus 3 times 1 to the power 4. This will simply give me 3 centimeters squared. So that's how I would find my maximum area. So just stay tuned, guys, and wait for more videos. Thank you.